Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to fix error 40 of Precore C954 treadmill, and this machine is showing us error 40, sometime error 40, sometime error 42, sometime error 44. So the error of 4 series like 40, 42, 44 in Precore machines are due to the lift motor, means incline motor. So in this card it's not a new for me because it's a very common issue, and if you have if you have a experience of repair and maintenance of such kind of cards, you know that this portion in this card, these two pins are for AC voltage, alternating current, and the external fan is connected over here, and the speed sensor and the safety breaker and the communication, and the lift motor is connected over here. So some motors are 110 volts, some motors are 220 volts. That's another topic. I'm not going to discuss 110 volts variant and 220 volt variants. So in this particular card, if your motor is showing error 40, first what you have to do, you have to check these two trikes. So these are actually the transistor which switch the AC voltages. Often we have seen, or we have been seen in many cars that the manufacturer used transistor. So in this card here we have two trikes, one for lifting up motor and second one for to down the motor, lift motor. So basically trikes are used to switch alternating currents. So in most of the cases, or in many other cards, we have seen that manufacturer used transistors and then relays for switching such sort of things. But in this is very unique in treadmill field, that Precore is using these trikes for switching these lift motors. So I already have identified that this trike is short. So what I will do, I will just replace this and it will work fine, because it's a very common issue, and by replacing this it will work. First I pull it out and then check whether it's short or not, for your information, because I am sure that it's short. So let me pull it out. Okay, now I have pulled it out, this trike, and you can search it on the internet. So I'm trying to zoom it. So here's its number, and I'm going to check this, and it's short. So yes, it's like this. So it's mean it's short and it's faulty, because the resistance in between these two legs should be more than 500 or 700 on this multimeter. So I will just replace this and it will work fine. Thank you very much.